Hey guys, we're in Kamakura, very south from Tokyo, and we came here to just enjoy the beach and to see another temple. It's like with this gigantic Buddha statue. It's a beautiful day, it's very sunny. I forgot to put on sunscreen. We don't have an umbrella, so it looks like I'm gonna burn. My face is gonna melt. I mean, it is beautiful. There are a lot of people, but that's expected because it's like one of the things a lot of people want to see. And I would recommend it to come here, not only because of this temple, but also because it's next to the beach and you get the chance to just enjoy a beach day in Japan. So I don't think a lot of people can say they did that. I found a quiet spot which is in the shadow and not as crowded. Well, when you look this way, there are so many people because that's a Buddha statue. Right here, there's like nothing, like no one. It's beautiful. Yeah, well, at least I found a spot where I can sit in shadow and open my eyes. You guys know I can't open my eyes when it's bright outside. It's like, I don't know. Actually, we wanted to book a hotel in Kamakura. We didn't because today is actually the last full day. Well, we're flying back home tomorrow at midnight, so we basically still got the whole day tomorrow. But yeah, like, I don't know, after 6 p.m. you're like in like, okay, we gotta go mood and we don't really have time to enjoy everything. But today we still get a full day and we're gonna enjoy beautiful Kamakura. We're gonna go maybe have some coffee and some very good food, go to the beach and yeah, enjoy this beautiful city. I'm so happy to be here, but I'm also so sad that we're leaving tomorrow. I don't want to go. I seriously don't want to go.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like.
Welcome to the beach in Kamakura! I cannot believe it. I'm like standing in the ocean in Japan. You see this? The beautiful ocean behind me? In Japan? This is a dream come true. Oh my goodness. Ah, I'm so happy. I cannot wish for more. I'm at the ocean! Oh my goodness. I cannot get over this. I'm so overwhelmed. It is beautiful. Welcome to the ocean. I look like a hot mess, but I couldn't care less. Like, I will never get the shot again, like, let's be honest. Seriously, I don't know when I will be here again, so I'm enjoying every fucking second of this. Just a dream come true. Thank God I'm wearing a skirt. The weather is amazing, like it's so freaking hot, but it's perfect at the beach. And it's probably super loud because of the waves, but I mean, it's amazing. Can you hear how happy I am? Oh, I love it.
I said I needed you, but baby, that was never true. And it's not personal, it's everything you put me through.
Even at 3 in the morning, but we're just friends always. Said it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. Maybe these nights on the phone are just as far as it's going. Guess it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. I could be wasting a day with you unless you felt with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. With you I fade away. Everything just fades away. With you I fade away. And everything falls into place. When it's all up in the air and innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't indifferent. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like sin.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed in me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know
It's so comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful.